Hello everybody, this is Steve from StellaZone. Today I'm going to give you some help on how to get the best experience at StellaZone through our YouTube channel and also our other social media platforms. So follow me along on the computer screen here. I'll have the mouse going. So a lot of people ask, how do I find StellaZone? Well, as Stella always says, you have to Google it. So let's try that. We'll just, I'm in Chrome here, so it's automatically going to search. But go to google.com, and you're going to probably see a doodle because they do doodles all the time. But usually it says Google in the middle here. Anyway, we're going to type in StellaZone, and again, StellaZone is spelled StellaZone, all together, all one word. And you can also add in YouTube, like it says there. StellaZone YouTube, really specific. And boom, first one on the list. You can see some previews of other videos, yada yada yada, and we'll see. Let's click on the first one. YouTube.com/StellaZone also works. In fact, you could try that here. Oh well, I already had the channel open. Anyway, back to where we were. StellaZone.com, and when you reach the site, you're going to see this wonderful intro video, some great music. I have it muted right now because it's really loud, but it's really cool. So you should listen to it and check it out. Anyway, this is our homepage. If you haven't subscribed, you'll see this big red subscribe button over here. And you should immediately click that because then it says subscribed and you'll be happy. And so what we also ask you to do, because subscribing isn't enough anymore, the way YouTube likes to censor people sometimes, shh, don't tell anybody. But anyway, click the bell here. If you click the bell and then you want to get all the notifications from StellaZone, that means you'll be sure to get all the notifications of when we post live streams, when we post a new video, even when we update old stuff, which we do all the time. And we're going to be adding in links to other videos. We're going to be updating the ingredients. Hey, we got a website coming, and that's going to have where you could buy some of the ingredients. Yeah, more about that later. So as we scroll down, and you'll see this is on a computer, by the way. I'll do another video on how to do this on your phone because it looks different. But you can see our most recent videos. We can see our most popular videos. Wow, look at those views. Then you have our playlists. And hey, who doesn't like Stella's Tasty Recipes? I know I like all of them. And you can see all 85 videos that we've put in this playlist of all just the recipes. None of the other stuff, just the cooking in this playlist. And then we have more stuff down here about us, some funny videos, which also include some cooking, some, talks that we do, wisdom, inspiration, things like that. And when you click on a video, you're going to see some ads unless you have, YouTube Red or something like that. But don't worry about that. Let's continue on and take a look at other parts of StellaZone's YouTube channel. You can see up at the top here we have videos, we have playlists. If we click on videos, you're just going to see all the videos in a nice big thumbnail form. And that's good because a lot of you like to just, look at pictures and things like that. That picture looks cool, I'll watch that video. And of course we try to make the best thumbnails we can so that they look tasty and you want to click on them. So I like the ones like this. Ghana palm nut soup, ooh, that's one of my favorites right there. Also you can see, we get a lot of requests for videos, and maybe people don't know where to find the video that we've done on their request. See, a lot of people have asked for, what's your skincare routine, Stella? You have such great skin. Well, genetics is a big factor, but she does have a skincare routine video, which you could find right here. We also have stuff on touring the StellaZone kitchen. That's a fun one where you can see all the gadgets and appliances that Stella has. You can see when we've met up with some of our subscribers here. You can also talk about, we can talk about things that we've done reviews on, some advice that we've done. A lot of people have questions. Hey, do you have some vegan recipes or some vegetarian recipes? Yes, we do. We have kosei muffins. We have, let's see, coconut soup. That was a good one right there. There's a couple other vegetarian-friendly ones down in here. Here we go, right here. Plant-based stir-fry. We have veggie stew that's plant-based. We have healthy versions of some unhealthy dishes such as kilawilli. Sometimes jollof rice we did with quinoa. More healthy food options. Hey, you should probably check that one out. Healthy food options, Ghana food. So we got lots of videos. You can kind of just scroll through here. We have, over 100 some videos, so you could just spend all day on StellaZone if you wanted to. But if you want to focus in, you could click on playlists up at the top here. And that's going to show you some playlists that we've created, just, you know, to kind of categorize things. So you see the recipes, reviews, funny stuff, about us, some, you know, advice stuff that we've done, live videos. Everybody likes to watch the live videos. If you couldn't be there for the live video, hey, you could at least watch and comment later. So that's about all that on the main YouTube page that I wanted to talk about. Let's talk about what you see on an individual video. So say if we go back to a video here, and okay, our most recent food video was how to make authentic Ghana fante fante. So let's take a look at that one. Let's see, again, you have an ad maybe, Oreos, right? But you could skip these ads after a couple seconds. Alright, and now it's gonna load our wonderful intro. And you know, while you're watching the video, maybe you're like Stella, who just likes to scroll through the comments, and no matter what she's watching. If you're doing that, I would advise you not to skip this box right here that has some very important information in it. You don't see a whole lot at the beginning here. You see, okay, ingredients. Hey, I need to see more of that. Click show more. Always click show more, because we got so much stuff in here, you need to see it. So we got all the ingredients, you know, when we can. Sometimes we don't have all the ingredients listed on all of our videos, but most of them we do. So you can make this at home. That's the whole idea. Now you also have links to our other social media, Instagram, you got Facebook here, our website's coming soon. Oh, and look, and we got links to all of our best videos and playlists. So you could go anywhere from most of our videos now and see all the rest of the channel has to offer. So that's what we talk about when, you know, at the end of the video, and we'll come to that in a second, you always want to like, see we've liked this video. You want to share, you could share with your friends on Facebook or all these other social medias. Or you could of course subscribe, which we've already done. And you see, we got the bell with the 2 lines. Alright, so let's go scroll down past the wonderful description here. And then, of course, comments. We invite you all to comment. Of course, keep it clean. Follow the golden rule. You know, leave comments that only you'd want to be commented on your channel. And so, you could reply. We'll do our best to reply as well if you have a question. Of course, to get a more direct response, you could always send us an email at StellaZoneTV@gmail.com, which is, funny enough, listed right here. Look at that. So that'll be everywhere. Okay, while we're watching a video, let's go ahead and fast forward through some of this, and we'll show you what some common things that maybe you aren't aware of while you're watching a video. One thing I'll tell you is after this excellent intro, we like to pop up what's called a card, and usually it comes out of this top corner up here, this eye looking thing. And let's see, there you go, see, we see it right there. Suggest another video. Oh, I'm gonna click on that, and that's gonna show you this stuff on the side here, other videos. Usually they're related to what we have in this video. So say we're doing fante fante, these are other authentic recipes, and you could click on those and just go right to them, or you could close it out, keep watching. Alright, so you'll see that periodically pop up while you're watching a video. Alright, let's go towards the end of the video, which, you know, if you make it to the end, you're probably cooking this and you're probably salivating. You're like, I can't wait to eat some of this StellaZone food here. And then we get towards the end, usually about the last 30-45 seconds, we're gonna have some stuff pop screen. Of course, Stella's gonna say like, share, subscribe, and oh, look at this, we have this big huge subscribe button right in the middle here. You could click subscribe, or you could check out some of our other videos just by clicking. We're gonna show some playlists over here. We've got a next video here. We're back at the home page, and once you're a subscriber, your home page for StellaZone is going to look a little bit different. So we're going to have some featured content up top here, and then we're going to have, of course, the usual playlists, recent, popular, and playlists down here. Okay, and you could again click from the home page here, our Facebook page right over here in the corner. That's going to take you to StellaZone TV on Facebook. And every time we upload a video to YouTube, we're also going to upload it to Facebook, just so you know. So in case you're on both or you're on one or the other, you're always going to be notified. So you can see all the recent stuff we've done. You can see pictures and videos we've posted, and all this other good stuff here. and we invite you to, of course, like and share. And you could send us a message from right here. You could visit the StellaZone Insider group, and basically, you know, enjoy, do Facebook stuff. I don't know. Next thing you could do from the home page is that same banner has a link to Instagram. And let's check out the Instagram. So we have StellaZone TV, again all one word, and you could follow us. Maybe we'll follow you back. I don't know. Depends if you have some cool pictures of some StellaZone dishes that you've cooked yourself. We would love to see that. But we got just a few up right now, and we've got a lot more coming. We've kind of revamped our Instagram, so stay tuned. We're going to have a lot more coming there. Alright, one last thing. We're going to give you a sneak peek into the website, StellaZone.com. And here it is. Now, the links all aren't going to work, and this is a work in progress. We're going to change the pictures. I shaved that scraggly beard there, and we're going to have a lot different pictures and things up here, but you can see it's going to be a very nice polished website, and we're going to be highlighting some comments from our subscribers. So hey, maybe you'll be famous on the StellaZone website. We're also going to have a shop, and the shop is not active yet. See, it's not there yet, but we're going to have StellaZone Spice, and we're also going to have Chateau. So stay tuned for that, guys. Now stay tuned also for my next video that is going to be showing you how to do all this on your phone. Again, like, share, subscribe, and comment below.